Abracadabra. Finn wanted a science kit so he could mix things up and show everyone. At last his money jar was full of coins to spend. At home, Finn set out the things in the kit. Come and see my science magic. Finn mixed some powders. Then he shook the jar. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at that. The powders fizzed, but no one looked. Finn put a clear liquid in a jug with a green liquid. Look out, everyone. Foam piled out of the jug. Wow, that is brilliant. Still no one looked. Finn put a black powder with a red liquid. Finn put a balloon on the top of the tube. He shook it hard. The balloon began to fill with air. It got bigger and bigger. Wow! Asha and Rave came to look. What are you doing? It is science magic. Wow! Ash and Rav and Tess watched as the balloon filled up. It was massive. Look out! The balloon popped and Finn jumped in the air. A rabbit! How did it happen? Wow, that really was magic. That's it.